Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the error code 0xc0000185 in Windows 10. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So you're going to boot up your computer with a bootable flash drive or CD. And then once you're there, it's going to load you into this menu. And then from here, you're going to click on continue, and it's going to show right here, we're going to click on troubleshoot. Then from troubleshoot, you're going to click on command prompt. Then once you go to the command prompt window, you're going to see all these codes in the back, and you're going to write them one by one. So in the description, once you write them one by one, it's going to show you these steps right here, from bootrec / fixboot to bootsect nt60 sys, and you're going to make sure that you write them one by one in order. This is going to basically just clean up your computer device, and then from here it's going to just fix up the ATRB and then rebuild it all fully. So if you make sure that you write each single code correctly one by one, and then you make sure that you write all the commands fully, then at the end of it, once you click on bcdboot Windows, and then it's going to show you back to this window, once you click on continue, it should enable directly. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.